Would you believe me if I told you that these golden crispy bites are made from a simple lettuce and rice? Yes, a budget-friendly, protein-packed, and flavor-exploding delight that will leave your taste bud begging for more. Stick around because today we are making the most irresistible lettuce rice balls you have never tasted. First thing first, let's cook the lettuce. Rinse them thoroughly, then boil until they are soft and tender. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, drain any excess water and let them cool for a moment. Now grab your blender and toss in the boiled lettuce. Blend until you get a smooth paste. If needed, add a little water to ease the blending. And there you have it. Now let's build the flavor. Heat some olive oil in a pan. Once hot, add finely chopped onions and let them sizzle until golden brown. Next, add minced garlic for that rich aroma, followed by diced carrots for a hint of sweetness, and finally chopped coriander for a fresh herby touch. Stir well and let the flavor blend together beautifully. It's time to bring everything together. Pour the blended lettuce into a pan and mix them with the sauteed ingredients. Now, add your pre-cooked rice. Stir thoroughly to achieve a smooth, well-combined mixture. The key here is to let all the ingredients infuse into each other, creating a rich and hearty base. Now, let's get our hand a little messy. Allow the mixture to cool for about 5 minutes. Heat your preferred cooking oil in a pan. Then take the small portion and roll them into bite-sized ball. Line them up neatly. These little beauties are about to get crispy. Then gently place the balls inside. Let them fry until they turn golden brown, flipping occasionally for an even crispy. While the balls are frying to perfection, let's prepare a simple yet flavorful sauce. Chop some fresh tomato and capsicum based on the quantity you are making. Blend them into a smooth paste, and once your lettuce balls are ready, drizzle a bit of olive oil over them. Just look at that color, absolutely mouth-watering. Then pour the blended tomato and capsicum mix on top. This will add an extra layer of taste that makes every bite unforgettable. And there you have it, crispy on the outside and salty and flavorful on the inside. The perfect lentil rice balls that are not only delicious but also healthy and easy to make. Try them at home and let me know how they turn out in the comment below. Bye bye my viewers, welcome again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty, easy to make recipes. See you in the next video.